Hi everyone and welcome back to PrepFusion. So recently the GATE 2025 exam is starting for many aspirants. So today I will discuss about the engineering mathematics questions of GATE CS branch. Okay, so I don't have all the questions. Whatever questions I was able to recollect, I am doing those. These are all memory based questions, so question data can be wrong. Just be careful about that. So this can be helpful in the upcoming shifts or just to quickly revise a few concepts. Okay, so I will discuss about the questions. If you have more questions, you can send it in our Telegram group. Okay, so I will start with this. We have this piecewise linear function, not linear, piecewise function, and they are asking to find the value of a and b such that f of x is differentiable at x equals to 1. So if f of x is differentiable at x equals to 1, that means that it has to be continuous as well if it is differentiable. So for it to be continuous, the left hand limit and the right hand limit must be equal. That means just at the left of x equal to 1, the definition is ax plus b, and at x equals to 1 the value will be a plus b. This must be equals to the right hand limit, that is this value. If I equate this with x equal to 1, this will be 3. So my a plus b equals to 3. This is the first result that I get for continuity. Now we'll check for differentiability. To check differentiability, simply differentiate the two functions. If I differentiate the first function, it will be a. If I differentiate the next function, it will be 3x square plus 2x. Now again, the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative must be equal if the function is differentiable. So of course, I will equate them. I will first put the value of x equal to 1, then I will equate them. So this here it will become a equals to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So you get a as 5, and if you put here, you will get b as minus 2. So this will be the answer for this question. So whatever questions I am discussing, these are mostly very simple questions. I think the tougher questions the students were not able to recollect for now. Once I will get those questions, I will discuss those questions. Okay, so now let's discuss about the next question. Again, a very simple question. A 2 cross 2 matrix is given, and you have to find out the eigenvalues of a raised to power 13. So to find out the eigenvalues of a raised to power 13, simply what you have to do, you have to find out the eigenvalues of this, that is lambda, and just raise it to the power of 13, and that will be the eigenvalues of a raised to power 13. This is the property of eigenvalue. This I have discussed many times in my class. Okay, so this will simply be, how do you calculate the eigenvalues? Simply using the characteristics equation. This is a second order, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so it will be a second order characteristics equation. It will be lambda square minus trace of a. What is the trace? Trace is simply 0, so it will 0 into lambda plus determinant of a. Determinant is minus 1 minus 1, so it will be minus 2 equals to 0. So your lambda will become simply, lambda square will be simply 2, or your lambda will be simply plus minus under root 2. Okay, but we have to find out the eigenvalues of a raised to power 13. So eigenvalues of a raised to power 13 will be simply lambda raised to power 13. Okay, so it will be, because like there are two eigenvalues, again we will get two eigenvalues only. If I raise minus under root 2 raised to power 13, it will be minus, it will be 2 raised to power 6 into under root 2. Okay, and for the plus 1 it will be plus, just the sign changes. I hope you understand these things. So ultimately this will be 64 plus minus 64 root 2. Okay, so I'll just quickly calculate these values. Plus minus 64 root 2, 64 into root 2, this will be 90.5. So the value will come out to be plus minus 90.51. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Next question is again very simple question only. They have given you a probability density function f of x, and like it is defined between x equals to 1 to 4. Determine the value of c. Okay, first determine the value of c, and like actually the actual question was this. You have to find out the probability of between x, as x lies between 2 and 3. Okay, this was the actual question, this was not the question. So how do we solve this? First you have to, obviously for you to understand, for you to solve this, you have to first find out the value of c. We know the definition of PDF. If I integrate the whole PDF, right, over its given range, it should be equals to 1. It should be equals to 1. Okay, so I will do that. So this will be from 1 to 4 f of x dx. F of x is cx square dx. This will be c by 3 4 cube minus 1 cube equals to, this should be equals to 1. So from here I will get my c value as 3 by 63. This will be the value of c. Now what about this probability? How do you calculate this probability? Rather simple, right? Simply what you have to do is probability of x lying between 2 and 3 will be integration 2 to 3 the probability density function, that is dx, cx square dx. So C I know is 3 by 63, and this will come out to be 1 by 3, and this will be 3 cube minus 2 cube. Okay, so this will be 3 cube minus 2 cube. So now if I solve it, this will be 1 by 63, 3 cube is 27, 27 minus 8 is 19. So this will be 19, 19 by 63. I will just calculate 19 by 63. 19 divided by 63 is 0.31, is 0.3. Okay, so around 0.3, this will be your answer. 0.3, 0.30 something. So this will be answer for this question. Let's now move on to the next question. This next question is just a like 5% difficult than the previous question. All the previous question was just simple halwa, simple laddu. Okay, this question is just a level, just a bit level higher. So you have 5 coins, out of which 1 are fake. Okay, where fake means it always lands head. Basically that coin, in both sides of the coin you have only head. 4 are regular coins. You randomly select one coin and flip it twice. Okay, so I randomly select one coin and flip it twice, resulting in 2 hits. So calculate the probability that you selected the fake one. Like what they are asking that calculate the probability of getting 2 hits given calculate the probability of that coin being fake given that I am getting 2 hits. So how can I get 2 hits? So there can be two ways, right? Either the coin is real, okay, normal coin, or the coin is fake. Now if I choose a real coin, then what is the probability of getting 2 hits? So if I choose a real coin, what is the probability of getting a real coin? How many coins I have? 5. How many real coins I have? 4. 4 are regular or real coins. Okay, just let me reduce the size. Yeah, 4 are regular or real coins. Now after I have chosen the regular or real coins, after this, what is the probability of getting 2 heads? So what is the probability of getting a head in a simple regular coin? It is half. Again, what is the probability of getting a head in a simple coin? Again, it is half. So 2 heads is half. But if I choose a fake coin, then what is the probability of choosing a fake coin? The probability of choosing a fake coin will be, I have only one fake coin out of 5, so it will be 1 by 5. Now what is the probability of getting head on a fake coin? It is 1, simply because it has only head. Again, in the next turn also it will be only head. So these are the true probabilities. So probability of getting 2 heads, total probability of getting 2 heads is this. But what they are asking? They are asking probability of fake, given that the probability given that the I am getting 2 heads, so that the coin will be fake. So this will be simply, I have to choose this option because I want only the fake cases. So fake cases will be at the top. I have taught Bayes theorem multiple times, so I'm not explaining this much here, simply just solving it. Divide by the total cases. Total cases is this plus this, total probability. So it will be simply, this will become 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 2 by 5. So your answer will come out to be 1 by 2. So your answer will be 0.5. This will be your answer for the question. So just if you have studied Bayes theorem, then you will understand this question. So that's about it for this video. So if you have more questions, you can send it in our Telegram group. Just search PrepFusion Gate, you will find it, or links are in the description below. Okay, so yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning and all the best for your examinations.